because I had two special guests, Anthony and Scott from the Super channel, the Wild Adventure Girls. Hi guys! And today I'm super duper excited because we're going to be opening, drum roll please, surprise Squishies! Okay guys, let's open it. Bella's going first. Alright. Put my hand in there. Pick a squishy. Oh, this one feels so soft. Oh! So cute! It's a galaxy bunny! That is so cute! And it's so squishy! Let's see what it smells like. What does it smell like? Oh, that smells like blue raspberries and grapes. Yeah! Look guys, this adorable surprise squishy. It has a bow, of course it's galaxy, and it's a cute little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Look, he's so soft to squish. Squeeze. Okay, let's see what else is in here. If you like squishies, hit the like button. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, which galaxy bunny are you gonna get? A dog! It's a galaxy little dog. Oh, that's so cute. How cute he is. It's got some blue and purple on him. And so far we got a dog and a bunny. Okay, it's time for Angelina to get a surprise. Let's see what she gets. Okay. It's a kitty cat! Look, it's got little paw prints on it! It's got those little two scratches. Oh my gosh, that is so cute and it's so squishy. Look how cute this kitty is. It has stripes on it. It's purple, aqua, and blue. It's so cute. And even on the back, there's a little mini paw print and its tail. Let's see what else is inside. Do you guys have any guesses? Okay. There's a really small one and a big one. I'm gonna go for the small one. Oh, it's a bear! Oh my goodness, that is so cute! Aww. I never had a squishy teddy bear like this. He's so cute. There is one squishy left, and the Wild Adventurers are gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the squishy. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Anthony gets it. Okay. I get it. Okay, Lena, look in there. Gotcha. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Look at this cat. I think he's sleeping. He has blush on his teeth. He's sticking his cute little tongue out. His adorable cute little bow tie. And he's so cute. And he's a galaxy one. Squish. Okay guys, just to recap, we have a bunny, we have a cat, we have a small cat, we have a bear, and we have a dog. Overall guys, we give these adorable squishies a big thumbs up. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching Bella's Toy Review. Be happy and be kind. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!